How to turn off or on suggestions in stories notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK, then click Hub and go to the storylines, then settings. Now click notifications and scroll down until you find here suggestions in stories, and that's it. Now you can turn it off or on just by one click because it's easy, and I hope that can help you. And now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.